Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering off the Elite and removing the battery pack or cable so nothing powers the board. Use a Torx T6 to remove the 4 back screws. Keep a dedicated container so screws don't mix. Once those are out, gently pry the back plate starting at the top edge, lifting tabs evenly to avoid breaking plastic. This opens the shell while protecting internal clips for reassembly. You now expose the bumper assembly and should disconnect any ribbon or small spring clips slowly to prevent stretching. Unscrew the bumper housing screws and note how the spring seats against the button. Take a photo if needed for orientation. When lifting the old bumper module, pull straight up to avoid catching internal contacts. Inspect the PCB pads and spring for corrosion, or wear so you understand why the new bumper will restore tactile travel and response. You fit the replacement bumper by seating the spring and plastic module exactly as the original, then secure screws snugly so plastic isn't crushed. Reconnect any ribbon cables, align the back shell tabs, and snap them together before reinstalling the Torx screws in a cross pattern to distribute pressure. Once reassembled, power on and test inputs. If a bumper is sticky, reopen and check spring orientation and debris. Clean contact pads with isopropyl and retry calibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.